What's up guys, we're back for the next video. Today I thought, you know what, we're gonna do something different. Dinty's not gonna be styling my hair. She's done that enough. 3 videos, that's enough times.
Too many men, too many men.
Too many times. This time, Dinty's gonna blindfold me. That's step 1. All we've got is a towel. I had a bandana, but I left it at home.
So Joe is now blindfolded. I have a big pot of products.
Pick it up. We got a lot of products here to choose from, basically. Here's the aim of the game, right? I'm the hair guy on YouTube. These are a large amount of my hair products. We're gonna figure out if I can tell what they are, what the product is, by Dinty giving it to me. I'm gonna just try and figure it out from the jar, or maybe the smell, or maybe trying to feel it. And we're gonna see how many I can get right. That's kind of the aim of the game, and I might need a couple hints along the way.
Yeah, that's okay, we can do that.
There's so many I haven't used in ages, and there's some in there that I haven't ever used anyway, so I'm not sure how well I'm gonna do.
So, should we go?
Yeah, without further ado, pick something out the tub, let me have a look.
Cue the music. Let me show you people. Okay, there we go.
What is it?
Okay. No, you can't feel it. First,
Well, I can't feel it.
you have to smell it.
Fine.
Go that way.
Sheer Revival Crystal Lake.
Yeah!
Of course it is, I know that scent. I know it.
Alright, well that was an easy one.
Haha, bring it on, I know my products. I know what I'm doing over here. This is why you guys tune
Alright,
in.
then I'll go a bit harder.
Hey, that's what she said.
The noise of me opening it might
I doubt it.
smell. Do you know what that is?
No, I think I'm gonna have to hold it.
Listen.
Oh, wait, what? That must be something by Kevin Murphy. Let me smell again. I don't recognize that. Is it Kevin Murphy?
Yeah.
Wait, oh, is that Rough Rider?
Yeah!
Okay. It's been a while since I've used that. You know, it's probably easy if we just put a graphic up on the screen.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put. Okay.
Let's have another smell. I do recognize it, but I don't remember right now.
Do you wanna have a little feel?
It's so weird smelling products without being able to see them.
Do you
It
wanna
heightens. Yeah, let me feel the tub. Wait. Is this a really old, wait, does this have the tiger design on it? Is this like one of our fit sample?
Yeah!
Jeez, I can tell how old this is because that doesn't really smell like fit sample anymore.
Oh, is that not even the right thing?
Well, this was like our very first limited run of fit sample.
Okay.
So, I knew I recognized it though. Good one though. So that's fit sample limited release run.
You'll get this one probably.
Dinty, we'll just do the graphics. You don't have to go and show them every time.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Wow, that's very cinnamon-y. I'm gonna guess it's some kind of pomade. Is it something by Lockhart's?
Yeah!
Alright, something by Lockhart's. Oh, man, I know what it is, but I don't remember what it's called. I think it's something like Lockhart's original pomade or like medium hold pomade.
Almost. Light hold.
Oh, light hold.
Authentic light hold hair pomade. That's pretty good.
It was pretty close.
Alright, we're gonna go in with another one. Oh, this.
I feel like I'm in the middle of both camera angles. I'm not like looking at either one. Well, this is the wide.
Yeah. There. Yeah.
Wait, which way are we facing?
You're facing the wide camera, which is right in front of me.
Alright. Oh, I know this smell.
I can just see you going.
When you can't see it, the scent is really heightened. Garnier's Fructose Surf Hair.
Yeah! You're smashing this.
Man, I know these things. That's why you guys watch this channel. You know what I'm talking about when it comes to hair.
Ready?
Yes. Ooh. Original by BluMaan.
Yeah. That was easy.
That's minty fresh. Best
Alright.
freestyler in the game.
I'm gonna go with a little bit of hard.
Yeah, go Give it to me hard.
Ugh, this one smells not very nice.
That better not be one of our products. Okay, this is gonna be some kind of homebrewed product. They love their strong scents. Bring it up again. Oh, it's hard as well.
Just poked his nose. Just gonna have a little feel.
I think I'm gonna have to feel it, but I know what these. Oh wait, what? This isn't what I thought. Oh, this is cocaine clay.
Yeah!
I should have known.
Man, you're good at this, Joe.
Cocaine clay from India. One of the hardest clays I've ever felt in my life. Pick up cocaine clay and try to take some product out.
Oh my god. How do you even get that? Ew.
It's the hardest product.
I don't know. Thing is, I know that the ones at the bottom.
I haven't used in ages, probably.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This is very strong. I've never even like seen this before.
Okay.
Smell.
It smells like bananas. What is that? Is that an actual product in the thing?
Yeah.
Bananas. Oh, I wonder if it's. No, it's not sparking anything.
Okay, sure.
Wait, the smell's changed. Did you just give me a different product?
No.
Oh no, it's still bananas. I don't know what this is.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
You ready, Joe? Joe, you ready?
Yes. This is going to be some kind of drugstore product. I can tell from the scent.
How do you even know this? Like.
Because it smells more like chemically. They didn't try to hide that scent. That's VO5, isn't it? Got to be.
Yeah, got to be.
Got to be. I'd say maybe half a point for that. I did know it was drugstore.
This one is gonna be. Okay, go.
Cavalier.
Oh. Try saying that or not.
You almost tricked me there. I was like, wait a second.
You know your product.
I know my products.
Ugh,
Don't like that too much?
that's horrible. Okay.
Whoa. What is that? Here, let's have a feel. Let me go to the feeling
Oh, it
stage.
stinks.
Oh, what? Oh. This is, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's the Mike Smith collab. Is that the purple lady?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I thought that smelled nice. It's supposed to smell kind of like
It
candy.
smells disgusting.
Right. Sorry, Mike Smith.
Oh, God. Josh, cut that.
Nope.
No, it smells like Vinto.
I think that's a British thing.
And I really don't like Vinto.
It's nothing against you, Mike. It's everything against Vinto.
No, let's cut that out.
I can tell from the scent.
You're probably going to get lightheaded from doing this.
I'm sniffing too much.
Can I have a feel?
Yeah, fine. I'm gonna downgrade. Oh. This is another got to be.
Yeah.
This has got to be,
Can you see?
no.
Yeah, you can.
I can't see. I'm not looking.
Do you promise?
I promise. I'm staying 100% truthful. But it does have the word men.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's something clay.
No.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay.
This isn't right.
Yes, it is.
Wait.
Can I just say that, just a little insight, Joe's sense of direction is
Beautiful.
not that great.
Wait, which way are we facing right now?
Yeah, we're facing the wide camera.
No, we're not.
We are.
I feel so...
Disorientated.
This
You
is the
ready?
TV.
No, the TV's that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, listen. Some beef. So on YouTube, do you have like a...
Are you giving me a Hans de Foucault product?
No.
Okay.
Here you go.
That's quicksand. Nice try. Hans de Foucault quicksand. I know that scent. I made a budget breakdown of Hans de Foucault. Look, I don't hold grudges, alright?
Dinty's just come in and stirred the pot.
Dinty's trying to make things happen.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna get this straight away.
Well, it smells like Fifth Sample. Is it Fifth Sample?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
Last one.
Well, I better get this one.
I think you use this quite a lot. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Where is it?
There.
I don't smell. Oh, I do recognize that. Wait, is that Monarch?
No.
Okay, good. Let me have another smell.
What do you mean good?
Because I should have known what Monarch is. I definitely recognize this, but man, I can't remember right now. Oh. I can tell just from feeling the scoop out. Is this
So weird.
I do know what it is, but I can't remember the exact name. It's something like the Holy Black New York or something like that.
Yeah, that's
What-
exactly what it is. The Holy Black New York, matte clay.
Holy Black New York matte clay.
Holy black clay.
Excuse me?
Wow, we've done 2, 4, 6. We've done loads.
How many? I'm taking this off now.
Yeah, you can. Did you realise you were facing that way?
No, it felt like I was facing this way.
I'd say that you are a professional at knowing your hair products.
I'm a professional product
You
smeller.
have passed the test.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Right, we were there for a while, so cameras cut out. This is us. This is the end. Thank you, Dinty, for coming in and helping out.
Thanks for having me. everybody.
It's been fun just switching it up, doing something a little bit different. If you guys want to check out Dinty, we've got her Instagram right here. If you guys want to check out Joe, we've got his Instagram right here.
I didn't feel very well, so.
Dinty's feeling sick. She needs a big old poop.
Please. Right. Okay, thank you everybody, and I've really enjoyed being back on BluMaan's channel, and thanks for watching, all you people.
We can cut out.
Love you guys.
With that said, we're gonna see everybody next time.
There's a match.